Hey guys, welcome back. Working on a 92 Toyota pickup, rear-wheel drive. Now, the same thing is going to apply to four-wheel drives, probably from the late 80s up until the early 2000s, maybe even newer on some of the Tacomas. But customer complaint, shifter pops out of gear. They said fifth gear. Going down the highway, put it in fifth gear. As soon as they hit the gas, it pops out. I got it to do it once in third as well. And the problem isn't in the transmission. I mean, you can have an issue in the transmission, but this is a pretty common issue that I see. And what happens is I can't get it all the way into first gear. It only goes about halfway. Second gear feels like it clicks in just fine. Fourth gear is fine. Yeah, I'll have to get it started to go in reverse. But first, third, and fifth, I only get about half the travel. If I grab the bottom of the shifter, lift up, I can push it all the way into fifth gear. So what has happened is there is this rubber bushing underneath that shifter. It's worn out. The shifter is sagging in the shift tower, and it gets caught, and it can't go all the way into the forward gears, or at least forward on the shifter. First, third, and fifth. This is a part number for I believe a V6 3-liter from the mid-90s. Sometimes they don't have listings for all the trucks, especially the older two-wheel drive trucks. So let me zoom in on that. I'm not sure which part number is which here. There is a nylon bushing that goes on the end of the shifter, and then the shifter seat that goes into the shift tower. I'll post a link to a video that shows how to install the shifter if you're having trouble getting your shifter back in after you get it out, or if you're having trouble getting it out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.